Welcome to EduVillage. Today's lesson is called No Funds, No Business, because yes, you can start your own business even if you have no money. Let's learn how. First, take a moment to think, what are your skills, knowledge, experiences, or resources? Now, in your groups, list them out and think, what kind of business can I start using these things I already have? Next, share your business ideas with the class. Listen to each other, give suggestions. Every idea matters. Ask yourself, do you really need money to start? Let's learn a new word, Bootstrap startup. This means starting a business with zero or very little money, using what you already have. From teaching to baking, from reselling to mobile repair, you can start many businesses from home. Let's explore some of the best ones. Let's now watch this short video clip that shows 10 business ideas you can start today, with no money at all. What new ideas did you learn from the video? Can you try any of them? Write down your favorite ones.